Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We was out picking our peas this morning. It's just one of those things, it's like 80 something degrees here already and it's like 7:12 in the morning. Humidity is unreal. We looked over in our cornfield and our corn was already breaking down and drying. Now this is unheard of here at Deep South. We're usually the end of August to September pulling our dry corn. But I want you to look at this. This is what we're already getting out of our fields. This is the White Eagle Cherokee corn. It is completely drying. Listen to the shucks. With the rain, we're having rain almost every day, and the humidity, we was afraid that we're going to lose it. A lot of this is just soaking wet. We went ahead and went through the field and pulled as much of it as we could that was getting close to being ready. Pulled the shucks back, and it's a beautiful, perfect ears. So when that happened, we decided to go down to the other field. We got down to the Hopi Blue Mochican corn, and we discovered the same thing down there. Now we have it separated up here. Here we have it. It's already dried, sitting here. We got to get the shucks off of it, where it can finish completing the drying process. We've been having trouble with possums and coons and foxes and everything else getting in our corn, so we're going to try to salvage as much of it as we can. As it turns dry and breaks down, we're just getting it off. We're not going to leave it in the field anymore. What I wanted to show y'all is the reason we're going ahead and getting this corn out of the field is this is what happens right here. You see the little places where the kernels are starting to sprout? That's because of the heat and the humidity. Everything's staying wet. The corn is just, we're going to lose it if we don't go ahead and get it off the stalks and get it into to a dry environment as quickly as possible, because it will sprout in the shuck like this. But guys, today is July the 11th. I have never in my life had corn ready at July the 11th. The sun this year is literally, with the UVs being as high as it is baking this corn on the stalks, evidently, because we should be another month before this corn even comes close to being dry. And here we are already harvesting our dry corn for next year. Another weather anomaly. Thank you from Deep South Homestead.